Soumya Kanti Ghosh, Group Chief Economic Advisor, SBI. Soumya Kanti Ghosh, how do you reconcile this? On one hand, as I said, you know, government saying we've done big bank spending, big ticket spending, all the headlines picking that up. But when you pass the numbers, it doesn't quite look like that.
Yeah, thank you, Basu. I think I heard what you said about the numbers, but I have the numbers in front of me. I think there are two things to this capital expenditure.
Okay.
In FY21, if you look into the budget estimates, the capital expenditure was 4.12 lakh crores.
Yes.
And this amount in the revised estimates has been 4.39 lakh crores. The first
Yes.
thing we need to understand that even in a pandemic, the government has been able to meet the capital expenditure and surpass it, even as all other expenditures have declined, including revenue. And this amount is supposed to go up to 5.54 lakh crores. So, which is basically an addition of 1.15 lakh crores over the revised estimates and an addition of 1.32 lakh crores over the budget estimates of FY21.
Yes, yes.
Now,
I'm
if
saying,
you look into the,
Soumya Kanti Ghosh, we are saying that yes, capex has gone up by 1 lakh crore, which is
1.32 lakh crores
1.3
over the budget estimate.
Yes, but is that enough? 1.5 lakh crore enough to stimulate the economy of size of India? That's the question one was asking.
Yes, let me now come to that. So this basically this is 5.54 lakh crores. Now we are not taking additional 2 lakh crores, which is on capital expenditure, which is for the autonomous bodies. So if we take that into account, so we have to take the holistic picture of 2 lakh crores and these 1.15 lakh crores, which you have taken into consideration. Now, if you ask me, these 3.54 lakh crores, even if I assuming in economic parlance an incremental capital output ratio of say 4.5, that actually could have an impact of GDP on 0.79%. But let me tell you an important fact over here.
Yes, and let's try and keep it a bit simple. Let's not get too technical. Yes.
Yes, no, I'll not get technical. I'll just give you a small figure over here. Since you asked me whether this capital expenditure is sufficient or not, if you look into the history of the last 20 years,
yes,
the average increase in capital expenditure or decline has been 25,000 crore over a period of 20 years.
Okay.
And this year, this amount is 1.32 lakh crores. So even if I assuming that this number is not adequate, I think this is still 7 times higher than the average over the last 18 years.